I absolutely do not care at all whatsoever about a goddamn order book. Point blank period. It is the biggest, in my opinion, waste of time just because of this simple reason. An order book shows a phantom. The recent trades list, that's legitimate. That's what shows up on the chart. Those are trades that have been executed. An order book are not trades that have been executed. And you know what? What are the orders that actually move the market? They will never show up in an order book ever. They will never, by fucking definition. If you do not understand this, you do not understand the most simplistic thing about markets. I'm not saying this to like talk down to you, just in general. The only thing that ever moves the markets is market orders, not limit orders. Limit orders are what you see in an order book. They might get filled, they might not get filled. But think about it this way. Put yourself in a big account's shoes, which is probably what you're thinking in this case. And you're probably thinking, oh man, if they're showing all of this size right here, surely this is support. If you have that amount of equity, if you really are like a true whale, why would you, knowing that you're telegraphing to the fucking world your potential positions, why would you show exactly where you're trying to position yourself? You wouldn't. And also, that's not to even mention that, you know, if you were to limit order into positions, which I do all the time, but if you're a big account and you wanted to hide that, which you can definitely do, you could just use a hidden order or an iceberg order, whatever the fuck they call it nowadays. It's completely, in my opinion, irrelevant. Now, what can be relevant is to see what actually gets filled, but that's the only trade that's going to show up on your charts anyway. So to me, it's like, why would I go two derivatives or like a derivative away from what actually happens? To me, it makes very little sense.